What are you doing in the water?
Warren, hold this rod, please. Warren. Take this
Where?
rod, please. Take it. Okay. Reel it.
Is there a fish on the end? I understand.
What's Laura got? Laura's got something.
Laura has a fish.
Yeah, my word. It's a big one. Reel it, Laura. Very good. You getting it? Yes, well done.
But that's as big as mine.
Oh, it got off.
Oh, shame, Laura. We even saw it swimming away on TV.
Oh, you got it. Reel it. Well done, Lolly.
Now we can go home.
Take Laura.
Yes, now we can go home.
But that's as
Look
big
at
as
Warren.
my
Look at
one.
Warren.
But that one
Look at
isn't
Warren.
as big as my one.
Well done, Laura.
But that isn't as big as mine.
That's it. Not the same size.
So, Laura, what do you have to say? Now we can go home.
Yes.
Come here.
Well done, Lollipop. Hold your rod.
Now I can chase all the fish away again.
So, how many fish have you caught today? 4.
1, 2,
4. One each.
2 each.
One each.
Want to take this hand, Lolly?
No.
You don't? You sure?
I'll pick you the
Okay, let's see you put it back.
Okay, hold it there. Warren will take you on the video. Just hold it by the mouth. You don't hold the body. Okay, just put it in the water. Show Warren you put it in the water.
Good girl.
I've been friendly, huh?
Yes.
Maybe that's why the girl fish.
Yes. Well done, Lollipop.
And I even know, you didn't know I caught a fish.
No.
But I knew I felt the land.
You felt the line.
Laura? Laura?
So hard to
How did you know you had a fish?
Huh?
How did you know you had a fish?
See, I heard a big pull.